SoftBank Group Corporation announced on Friday a second vision fund aimed at investing in technology firms, saying it has secured memoranda of understanding for about $108 billion from companies including Apple Inc. and Microsoft Corp. The Japanese group itself plans to invest $38 billion in the fund. After a protracted battle, the NCLT finally cleared the Rs 4,350 crore bid by yoga exponent Ramdev-run Patanjali Ayurved to take over edible oil player Ruchi Soya, which owes over Rs 9,345 crore to the lenders and around Rs 2,800 crore to other creditors. The NCLT approval comes after it dismissed the petitions filed by Standard Chartered Bank and Singaporean lender DBS, which had both challenged the low bid by Patanjali and the resultant lower payout. The police have registered a case against Snapdeal founders Kunal, Bahl and Rohit Bansal after a local Congress leader alleged that the online shopping site sent him fake products. They were booked for cheating under Section 420 of the Indian Penal Code after businessman Inder Mohan Singh Honey complained that instead of a woodland belt and a wallet, he was delivered fakes. Singh had acted as a spokesperson of the party during the recent Lok Sabha election campaign. The Prime Minister's office wants the Finance Ministry to reassess the idea of issuing foreign currency overseas sovereign bonds. The office has asked the Finance Ministry to seek wider consultation from stakeholders before proceeding with any plans, said sources who declined to be identified as they were not authorized to speak to the media. The office has asked the Finance Ministry to seek wider consultation from stakeholders before proceeding with any plans, said sources. Team India cricketers may have a new brand name on their jerseys September onwards. Bangalore-based educational technology and online tutorial firm Byju is likely to replace Chinese mobile maker Oppo on the team's jerseys. Indian cricketers may sport Oppo logo on their jerseys only till the end of the upcoming West Indies tour, which begins from August 3rd and ends on September 2nd.